pleased to be here with our hosts, the men who are on the front lines in defending Greece's forests. We all remember the awful, terrible images of 2007 in Greece, and the intensity and the extent of those fires, which caused so much damage, billions of dollars worth of damage, and claimed lives. And in response, back then we declared an emergency, and our Office of Foreign Disaster Assistance allocated a couple of $1 million, and we got our Forest Service involved. And under Chief Harbor, they developed a 4-year program of training, both here in Greece and in the United States. Here are some of the products of that training. And more important than that, I think it developed, it wasn't just the money. The real issue is it established a cooperation between Greece and the United States in a very important area. And I'm really happy to see that dialogue continuing.
We just heard fire speaks a universal language. It's a language of flame. How we deal with that flame is very similar here in Greece to how we deal with that flame in the United States. Really pleased to see that the fruits of some of our interaction in the investigative portion of our work, in the aviation part of our work, in the ground firefighting assets part of our work. We're pleased that we had the opportunity to help focus some funding here under the ambassador's leadership and the chief's leadership, and we do look forward to a continued partnership as we go forward.
Αναλύσαμε στον κύριο Χάρμπορ στη χθεσινή επίσκεψη στο αρχηγείο του Πυροσβεστικού Σώματος όλα τα σημεία στα οποία θέλουμε να συνεχίσουμε στην συνεργασία μας που έχει ξεκινήσει από το 2008. Αυτή η συνεργασία θα επικεντρωθεί σε ανταλλαγή τεχνογνωσίας και νέων μεθόδων και στην καλύτερη οργάνωση της υπηρεσίας, με σκοπό να αποδώσει για το κοινωνικό σύνολο και την προστασία του περιβάλλοντος.